Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to move Shiba Inu from crypto.com to MetaMask. I want you to launch the website or the app, and here you can click on transfer and then click here on withdraw, and we'll choose how to withdraw the crypto. So we'll click on external wallet, okay? And if you don't have it added yet, you can click here on the plus icon, to add a withdrawal whitelist. And then you choose wallet address. You select your cryptocurrency, so you can go and look for Shiba Inu. I'll just show you the example with Ethereum, but it works the same way. So we'll choose Ethereum, and then for wallet address details, you just go ahead and enter your wallet address from MetaMask, okay? And then you choose the correct network. And you can set up a name, then hit continue, and then you would have your MetaMask wallet. And then you can withdraw to it, okay? You enter how much you want to withdraw, basically, and then you hit on withdraw. Really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.